students. Now we are see about spatial databases. In this question we have seen what is spatial data types, then types of queries, application, indexing techniques, comparison of indexing technique, GIST, the indexing high dimensional data, then conclusion. Spatial data. What is spatial data? Spatial data represent the location, the size and the shape of the object. Okay, then how to represent this spatial data? It is point representation, this is line representation, this is polygon representation. Okay, then types. What is the types? First one, point data. In point data, simplest form is representing spatial data, then no space and has no associated area or volume, consists of collection points. And then region data has the spatial extent with location and boundaries, represent using of points, lines. Then vector. How to represent the points using vectors? Vector. In vector, normal representation, then fine raster, also more or less same. Then coarse raster, this is edge is slightly slanted. Then types of queries. Spatial range queries, it's related with region data. Then nearest neighbor queries related with point data. Okay, then spatial join queries use both point and region data. It is more complex and expensive to evaluate. Then applications. Geographic information system, this is called GIS. We are very using map. Okay, then computer aided design and manufacturing, that's CAD and CAM. In CG we are studied. Then surface of design object and region spatial join queries. Then multimedia databases. In multimedia, video, audio, image, text and combination of images. Then indexing spatial data. Point data, what is the applications are used? Grid files, HE files, KD trees, point quadries. Grid files means it is a symmetric database, provides an efficient method of storing these indexes distinct to perform complex data. Okay, then HE tree is one of type trees. Then KD trees means k dimensional tree. Okay, then region data, quad trees are used. Then indexing techniques, there are three main indexing techniques are used: region, quad trees and Z ordering, both points and region data. Then grid files, R files. In grid files only point data are used, and R trees both point and region data are used. Region, quad trees and Z ordering. In Z ordering, the lines are ordered in Z format. Okay, here is the example. Then grid files. Grid files mean in grid directed to identify the data page containing the desired point. And then grid file partition space into rectangular region using line and that are parallel to the axis. Here this is the example how to insert the data. Then R trees are it is binary search tree with constraints, very useful range and nearest neighborhooding values. Then R tree also used for spatial access method, that is for indexing multi-dimensional information such as geographical coordinates, rectangles and polygons. It is a data entry consists of paired dimensional trees. This is the R tree example. Then searching, how the R trees are searched. If current node is non-leaf, then for entry it overlaps. If current node is leaf, for entry it identifies the object of the overlap. Then how to insert the tree? Starting from the root node, we can insert best fit method, then go to child box, needs least enlargement to cover B. Okay, then comparison between indexing techniques and queries. Here region quad trees, grid files, then R trees. In these of in three of these, R tree is the best one. Okay, then GIST means generalized search tree. It abstracts the tree nature of the class of indexes including B plus trees and R trees. Okay, the indexing high dimensional data. High dimensional data sets are collection of points, not regions. For example, feature vector in multiple applications. Here the conclusion of partial tree data management has many applications using GIS, CAD and CAM, multimedia indexing. The RT approach is widely used in generalized method used in spatial data mining approaches. Then SDBMS means Spatial Database Management System. Here used Neo4j, Algorograph, then Spacebase, then Coach DPs are used. In Neo4j means it is a database management system developed by Neo4j. It developed as an ACID compliant transactions. Then Spacebase means it is a platform for meeting. Then Algorograph, it is a closed source triple source which is designed to store RDF triples and a standard format for linked data. It is also operated as a document store designed for storing, retrieving and managing documents oriented information. Then Spatial DP is a database that is optimized for storing and querying data, represent object defined in a job phase. Okay, thank you students.